Vive 3-wheel mobility scooter, electric-powered mobile wheelchair device for adults, folding, collapsible and compact for travel, long-range power extended battery with charger and basket included. Safe maneuverability. Navigate over any smooth surface with comfort and ease with the Vive 3-wheel mobility scooter. Designed to safely support up to 265 pounds, the mobility scooter features flat, free, non-marking tires with a tight turning radius, a maximum speed of 3.7 miles per hour, and a driving distance up to 12.4 miles per charge. Comfort seating, lightly padded, the wide, 16.9 seat and backrest provide comfortable cushioning. The seat is also height adjustable for a customizable fit and rotates to facilitate easy boarding and exiting. Additionally, the scooter seat is surrounded by two padded armrests that also adjust and flip upward for greater convenience when exiting or boarding. Easy portability. Quickly disassembled the Vive mobility scooter into 4 separate pieces for easy transportation. Featuring a folding tiller and removable seat, each section easily fits in the trunk of standard-size vehicles. The rear section is the heaviest section, weighing in at 29 pounds. Intuitive control panel. Located on the tiller console, the control panel allows you to set the maximum speed with the variable speed dial, change from a forward to a reverse direction, turn on the headlight as well as produce a warning tone as needed. The display also includes a color-coded battery life indicator for checking the status of the battery at a glance. Vive guarantee, 5-year limited guarantee, so you can purchase now with confidence.